winter storm warning tonight, so I need to get this tent prepped for a blizzard. That means I need more wood. I'm going to go and check the outside to make sure that the tent isn't hitting the stovepipe at all, because it's been a really windy day. And I don't know if everything's where it's supposed to be. That is not how it's supposed to be, so I'm going to go out and adjust the guy lines before I start this fire. Had to move a guy line. Moved it to near the door of the tent, and now the stovepipe is looking pretty. I am using a reflective blanket to be the first layer from the ground, just so that no sticks or rocks or anything that's poking through the bottom of my tent will hurt the sleeping pad. I'm using an Exped sleeping mat. This is an 8.5 R value, so it should be really good in the cold. And then I'm using my REI sleeping bag, the Magma 30. Gets down to 18 degrees Fahrenheit is the lowest it'll go, but around 29 degrees Fahrenheit is what it's good for. And then I've got my little camp pillow. But with the stove going, and I think I'm going to bring my Mr. Buddy propane heater in so I can test that out. I think I'm going to be okay with this sleeping bag. I am going to be testing out a bunch of different gear this evening in this hopefully snowstorm. We're supposed to get 2 to 5 inches. And I'm really hoping for it, because so far it's been a pretty snowless winter. Got a little bit, but it's already starting to mostly melt, and it's just been really cold. But last year when I went on my camp out, it was the end of January and we just got dumped on. So I'm really hoping that that's coming. That way I can get out and really test this winter gear. Because if you don't have any snow or super cold weather, how are you going to know if it works? I'm a strong believer in testing your gear before you go out into the field, especially if it's something major like a tent or a wood stove or your sleeping setup. I just think it's smart to work out all the kinks, figure out what works, what doesn't, so that when you are in a survival situation, you aren't just setting stuff up for the first time. That's just, I don't know. I don't think that's very smart. So the sun is going down soon. I need to get this fire going, and I need to prepare dinner. And then we just have to hunker down and wait for this here snow. All right, we're gonna do some sausages, and I'm gonna fry up some Spam, because why not? Into the frying pan they go. I'm gonna finish frying up these meat treats and wait for the snow. I will check back in once it starts. Mm.